Welcome to an EdTech Team video tutorial. This particular session is on Google Slides, the mobile app, which is available for both iOS as well as Android-based devices. So whether you have a mobile device like a cell phone or a tablet like either an Android-based tablet or an iPad or an iPad mini, you'll be able to install the Google Slides application. Once you have it installed, you can both create and edit a presentation, which is really great because you can basically design your presentations on the go, which is really nice. You can do all kinds of stuff from setting up your slide, moving around content on the page, changing text. I prefer to set it if you have a smaller device, for example. I prefer to set it to the landscape mode because it's a little tough to see it the way you see on the screen here, the way that they're doing it, because it's really small on this side. But if you actually turn the device over, you'd have a much bigger screen, which is my preference. You definitely have some customization options, but do expect that it's going to be sort of like a watered down version of what you can normally do when you're on your laptop or a desktop device. If you want more sophisticated options, you definitely would have to transition over to those devices. But I did want to make a note that you can do some really cool things like changing your themes, you can bold text, you can edit your text, you can even just put it in play mode to be able to see what it's going to look like. And really, one thing that I find really great is that I can also take this offline. So, for example, if I was going to take my tablet somewhere, my tablet's not, it doesn't have a network attached to it, so I depend on the Wi-Fi heavily for using it. And so you can actually select the offline mode, which is going to allow you to be able to edit and get to your presentations without having a Wi-Fi connection. So that's a huge plus. Once you're done, you can definitely, from here, you can take a look at your speaker notes to be able to see what this would look like if you were actually presenting. You can actually use your mobile device to see those speaker notes while you have that same document pulled up on a computer, up on a screen that's showcased to everybody else, but you could actually see that information directly from here. And of course, you can share your document with your colleagues directly from here. You don't actually have to wait till you get back to a device to be able to do that. So Slides on the Go is actually quite sophisticated. It has some really great features that you can use so that you don't have to be dependent on being right by your computer to be able to get to your mobile slide. So design on the go, really great application. Happy designing.